Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to easily start your Kia Optima with a traditional key. First, make sure your key fob has a good battery, even if you're using the physical key. Next, find the ignition cylinder, usually on the right side of the steering column. Gently insert your key all the way into the ignition slot until it stops. This simple first step sets you up for a smooth start every time. Once your key is fully inserted, you'll encounter a few key positions. Turning it one click clockwise puts it in accessory mode, powering things like your radio. A second click brings you to the on position, illuminating your dashboard and preparing the vehicle's systems. It's important to understand these positions before attempting to start the engine, ensuring you don't accidentally drain your battery. Now for the main event, starting the engine. With your foot firmly on the brake pedal, turn the key clockwise past the on position to start. You'll hear the engine crank. As soon as the engine fires up and runs smoothly, release the key. It will spring back to the on position automatically. Holding it in start for too long can damage the starter motor, so a quick turn and release is key. If your Kia Optima doesn't start, don't panic. First, confirm your transmission is securely in park or neutral. If the engine cranks slowly or not at all, your vehicle's battery might be low or dead. You might need a jump start or a new battery. Always refer to your specific Kia Optima owner's manual for detailed instructions and troubleshooting unique to your model. Happy driving!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.